5 powerful AI tools every designer needs to know. Most of the big professional graphic designers will be angry with me for showing you this 5 powerful AI tools. The truth is, most designers still don't know that these AI tools can completely transform the way they design, helping them work faster, smarter, and more creatively. And the best part? Most of these tools are absolutely free to use. So relax, because in this video, I'm going to show you all 5 tools, explain what they do, and how you can start using them today without spending a dime. But before we begin, if you're new here and you love graphic design, AI, and content creation tips, make sure you hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any of my videos. Now, let's get straight into it. Quickly, one of the powerful AI tools we are going to be talking about in this video is ChatGPT. ChatGPT is one of the most powerful AI tools you can use as a graphic designer. Instead of staring at a blank screen, you can use ChatGPT to generate design ideas, social media captions, branding concepts, color palette suggestions in seconds. All you need is to register with your Gmail account. Boom, you start generating ideas for absolutely free by using the right prompt. Hold on, because the next tool is mind-blowing. You definitely need to know this AI tool. Talking about Adobe Firefly, a powerful AI tool to remove backgrounds, expand images, or generate stunning graphics with AI. Adobe Firefly makes it incredibly easy, even if you're a beginner. You need to try it out. All links to these tools will be in the description below. The next powerful AI tool is Canva AI. Canva is no longer drag and drop editor. Its AI features can generate presentations, social media posts, images, and even write content for your designs. If you love what I am showing you in this video, please give this video a like and comment down below the AI tools you love to try. The next AI tools we are going to talking about in this video is the most powerful AI, and many graphic designers knows about this AI. Most graphic designers don't know how super powerful this AI tool works. This AI tool is Google Gemini. Gemini helps you brainstorm creative concepts, generate detailed image prompts, write marketing copy, and solve design problems much faster. The last AI tool is life-changing for all graphic designers. You don't need to be a pro or a beginner. This AI tool does all the work for you. And this AI tool is called Magen AI. Magen is an AI tool. It gives you any type of design, including the design prompt. Generate posters, flyers, and lots more. All you need is to go to magen.ai on your Chrome browser, choose for the design that fits your design, copy the prompt, go to ChatGPT or Google Gemini, paste your prompt in, then make all the necessary changes to make it your own. Click on send, boom, your design is ready to use. One click is all it takes. It's one of the biggest time savers for every graphic designer. So which of these AI tools have you used before? Let me know in the comments below. If this video helped you discover something new, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with another designer who needs to see it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.